Darwin Day
Keynote speaker and world-renowned evolutionary biologist Dr. Rosemary Gillespie returns to the University of Tennessee to talk about the evolution of arachnids in the Hawaiian Islands.
Starting to work with a similar problem with web-building spiders, and what's cool there is you find a similar kind of pattern. This is work that Todd Blackledge did when he did a postdoc in my lab, and Todd did all sorts of web measurements on the web-building group of spiders, and basically what he found was that the ones that build similar webs, like these ones in yellow, are not each other's closest relatives.
Gillespie specializes in determining the adaptation of spiders that have evolved mostly due to inclement weather and environmental threats in their habitat. She closes with answering a question from an audience member concerned with how the spiders evolved through dispersion and influencing mechanisms.
In those instances of convergent evolution that you showed us, I was just curious if there are different genetic mechanisms involved, or if the same mechanism arose in different places.
There are some little things that I didn't talk about because they complicate the story. And one in particular is that, you get these different ecomorphs on the different islands. It's all very straightforward, except on Kauai and the oldest volcano, Oahu. There, you actually get a developmental switch from one ecomorph to the other. At a certain stage after maturity, they just switch from one to the other. So they go from green to maroon. So this is what we're trying to do now is just figure out, there must be, given that you've got this plasticity, this developmental plasticity early on in the radiation, it suggests that there's some similar genetic mechanism. But exactly how identical it is not clear. My guess is that it's just some very simple switch that allows them to very quickly evolve these similar forms, and that's the reason why they look identical, because they are identical. It's just they've switched something on, switched something off. So that's what we're doing now. Once we've kind of got things going with the happy face spider, but this is exactly what we need to do with the tetragnatha to figure out why you've got that repeated evolution of similar forms. So yes, excellent question.